Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for hospitality industry. So here let's assume that I have a resort and to promote my resort I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So now to do this I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So where my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for hospitality industry. So here let's assume that I have a resort. To promote my resort, I'm using Facebook lead ads. My objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to add the details of the lead in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button. You will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. And now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I have named it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders that I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. And now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect, on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for hospitality industry. So moving to my trigger window, as I am promoting my resort by using Facebook lead ads. So here in my trigger window, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. And the trigger events will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a lead, then automatically this workflow is going to run. So as I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet, so here I'm going to use Google Sheet as my action application, and here it is. And the action event will be to add a new row. So here I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event along with my action application and the action event. So my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details should be added in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will click on connect with Facebook lead ads, as I've already opened Facebook in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect, and the authorization is successful. So here you can see that the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully established. Now moving to page and lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my resort and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here this is the Facebook page that I've created by the name of Fun Resorts. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select the page as Fun Resorts. Here it is. After selecting the page, I will select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ad forms that I've created. So this is the lead ads form which I want to use. So the name of this lead ad form is New Bookings Form. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the lead gen form as New Bookings Form. And now once I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So as I did that, here you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response, which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. So here in this new tab, I'm going to search for Meta for Developers. I will go to the page. So here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. In My Apps, I will go to Tools. And in Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So here this is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So firstly, I'm going to select my page that is by the name of Fun Resort. So I'm searching for it. Here it is. And now I need to select the form that is associated with it. So that will be new bookings form. Now I'm going to click on preview form. So this is how the form looks like, and I have added the details as well. Now I'm going to click on next. Now I'm going to click on submit. And it says thanks, you are all set. So I will close this. It says your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I have just created, this would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So now I will take you to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that I have received a response. Here is the name, email, phone number, created at date and time, along with some other details. So that means the details of the test lead which I have just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I've got the lead details, now I wish to add the details in my Google Sheet. So firstly here I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now I'm going to add a new connection. So I just have to sign in with Google. Here I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access. And the authorization is successful. So now I will take you to the Google Sheet which I have created. It consists of 3 columns. One is of lead email, second is of lead name, and third is of phone number. So the name of this Google Sheet is Facebook Leads New, and it consists only of one sheet. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. And as it consists only of one sheet, so that is already selected over here. Now moving to these details of lead email, lead name, and the phone number. So here basically I'm going to map these details. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map the email, and now I'm going to map the lead name, and after that I'm going to map the phone number. So here I've mapped all of these details. This method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration into these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we mapped the information. So here as I have mapped the details, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here I have received a response, and this is a positive response. Now I will take you to my Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that the details of the test lead which I have created is successfully added over here in a new row. So this integration and automation is a successful one. Now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead will be added in Google Sheets in a new row.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.